Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, kindly hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to Nigeria HK. DJ a full performance of Kizz in Melbourne, and I think Kizz killed this one because fans were actually rejoicing with Kizz. Even at the end they came on stage and actually taking pictures with Kizz, and I think Kizz killed this one. Kizz was performing Buga and Cough on stage with the fans of Melbourne. So guys, I'm playing the full video for you guys short so you guys can watch and see for yourself. And please, the first time my channel, do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And after watching videos to the end, drop a thoughts in the comment section below on what you think about Kizz performance in Melbourne. So guys, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the performance for now.
Go! Are you ready? Six. You know what? You know.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video to the end. Please, if it's the first time on my channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because now wait to 1,000 subscribers. Please help the channel out by hitting that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell to notify whenever I post a new video like this, so you'll be the first to watch it. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below what you think about Kizz performance in Melbourne. I think I'll be signing out for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.